Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So today I'm back with a hair tutorial and I'll be showing you how I got this hair. So since I've had short hair, I find myself that I'm reaching out for the curlers a lot more, and this has been my literal go-to hairstyle. It didn't take me too long to do, and my favourite part is that I use minimal products. Like, I will not hairspray this hair and it will last me all day. And the best part of it is, all you need is a curling wand. I love this hairstyle. It instantly makes me look like I've got thick full hair. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. So I washed my hair yesterday and the only product in my hair right now is this Wear 5 Blow Dry Volume Heat Protection Spray. I'm going to be using the Lee Stafford chopstick curlers, which are the 22 inches. Now I'm going to section my hair and I'm just going to section it like this, just separating the top and bottom so we have the bottom layer to work with to begin with. Like so. And then I'm going to take a section of my hair, like so, taking my curlers, I'm literally going to point it downwards and wrap it round, and I'm going to leave it on for about 5 seconds, let go, and you are left with a curl looking like this. Now later on we're just going to brush this curl out so it looks quite natural. Now taking another section of my hair, I'm going to repeat the same process. So I take my curler, put it downwards and I just wrap it round like so. I'm going to leave it on for about 5 seconds and let it go. Now you don't want your sections to be too thin as you'll end up with like really tight chopstick curls. Ideally you want them in the medium to thick range, so when you spread them out you get that fluffy volume and you get that loose curl. When it comes to the back of my hair, I tend to go for a thickness like this. And again, same process, just take your chopstick curlers, wrap it round. And then you let it go like so. And then you get a nice thick curl. When it comes to the direction of the curl, it doesn't matter. You can go frontwards, backwards, mix it up, or you can all have it the same way. I'm just going to continue curling the rest of my hair and I'm going to fast forward it so you guys don't get bored watching me curl, and I shall see you guys when it's all done. When it comes to the French part or the front 2 strands of your hair, you want to make sure you curl these outwards. Now that we have curled all our hair, we're just going to take our fingers and run it through so you get a curl, and do that, basically. As you can see, this creates volume and makes your hair look thicker instantly. It may go a little bit frizzy, but that doesn't matter. Look at all this volume. So for the front strands of my hair, like these bits, I like to tie them back with a bobby pin so they don't come in the way. So you just take one strand of the hair, roll it backwards and then pin it. So guys, this is the finished hairstyle. As you can tell, it looks a whole lot more voluminous and curlier. Now I'm just going to show you what it looks like from the back, and if you do find any straight strands then go ahead and curl these so they blend in. So this brings me to the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!